Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I install this LED string lights. I bought this Fade electric LED string light from Amazon. It's about $40 for the 48 feet, and 48 feet basically has approximately, I don't know how many is that, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 times 3, 27 lights, and they're all there in 48 feet. They're spread about, I would say, about 1.5 feet between each bulb. Okay, the construction seems to be pretty good. If you notice here that this is pretty thick rubber and connecting to these sockets, and the light bulbs are separate. Sorry, I have to go over this particular stack of tile here that we haven't installed, and it goes over here. Yeah, so that's 48 feet, and thankfully I've already installed outdoor wall outlets there and also one over there. We're only going to be using one, since there is an outlet on each side, but there's also a male and a female. So over here we have a female, and the other side is a male. It's designed that way so that you can chain the LED string lights to make it longer than 48 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the lights and put them up there. I'm also going to be using a staple gun. I don't know where my staple gun is. Okay, but I'm gonna be stapling the cable in into the wood. Okay, let's get going. Okay, we just completed stringing all the points of the string lights. So we got 1 2 3 4 5.5. It looks kind of sparse, but then we thought that we don't want it to be too bright here, so I think this is perfect. Let me turn it on and off. So I think the pergola is perfect for this kind of light, for the pergola, because it gives that kind of rustic look. If you would like to purchase the string light, I have the link in the description. I would appreciate it if you use my link. We get a little bit of commission out of it. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.